Hello and welcome to Food and Digestion, which is Key Stage 3 Science. So in this particular task, there are 18 questions, and you've got some words here to actually help you answer some of these questions. This lesson is a follow-up of the previous lesson. Let's have a look at the first question. So the body needs food for a number of reasons. We need food for growth and to repair worn out, damaged parts. There we go. And then you can just carry on and answer the rest of these questions. We also get something from food. So what do we get from food? We get energy from food because that's what we need ultimately as human beings. Energy is used for movement, producing what, and to keep all the parts working properly. Have a go at these questions yourself. And like usual, in our next lesson, we'll be going through all of these questions one by one. And there are some varied other questions as well that you have here. Let me just show you. Going forward. There we go. So which part is labeled as A in the diagram of the human digestive system below? Use a list at the bottom of the diagram. So you've got a list just there. So you can zoom that in and you can get some help using this. And by all means, please do a little bit of research as well on this. And then label the questions accordingly. Thank you.